In this video, I want to show you how to pair Lenovo E2 with Android smartphone and the app. To do this, first you will need to download an app called Lenovo Cleaner. You can find it on Google Play Store, or if you're an iOS user, you can find it on the App Store as well. When you have that app installed, click on it once to open it, and then make sure to log in or create an account. Then after that, you'll be able to see a screen like I have right here, no devices, add device. Then we can click on add device to begin connecting our robot. We can go with Lenovo Cleaner E2 and /E2 Pro. Then enter a password for the Wi-Fi. Also make sure that you're currently connected to the network with 2.4 band, like I have right there. Then we need to press on the home and spot button on our robot.
Wi-Fi reset. Ready for easy mode connection.
Click and hold it like I did for a few seconds, and after you hear this prompt, we'll be able to perform our connection. So confirm it and click on next.
Recharging stopped. Wi-Fi reset. Ready for easy mode connection. Wi-Fi connection successful.
So we have our Wi-Fi connection successful. After that, we can rename our robot by clicking on the pen button next to it, or if you're happy with the name, click on done, and our robot setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.